Welcome to GoodWe training series. Today we will take you through the ET-LV unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the ET-LV series box. In the box, there is a mounting plate, an accessory pack, documents, lead-acid battery temperature sensor cable, 2 BMS communication cables. Here are the components included in the accessory pack. Introduction of the inverter. Take a look at the appearance of ET-LV from different views. Length is 551 mm. Depth is 258 mm and the height is 756 mm. Bottom views of the ET-LV. There are many ports for different functions. Installation of the inverter. First we take out the mounting plate. Before installation, first unscrew the bottom screws. Drill the holes using a 8 mm diameter percussion drill, ensuring a depth of approximately 80 mm. Use expansion bolts to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Fix all 4 screws as shown in the video. Then hang the inverter on the mounting plate. Open the cover on the front of the inverter. Prepare DC cables and make terminals. Plug the PV connectors into the DC input terminals. Prepare 2 battery wires and make terminals. Pass the cable through the bottom of the inverter. Connect the cable to the port and tighten the screws. Next, we will proceed with the AC side wiring. Prepare 5 cables and press the terminals. Pass the cable through the bottom of the inverter and secure it in place. Next, we connect the network cable. Take out the CT cable from the accessories. Take out the 6-pin terminal. Install the terminal on the CT side. Then install the terminals on the inverter side. Finally, put the cover back on and tighten the screws. We installed the Wi-Fi LAN module on the inverter. Turn on the switch. The inverter is now functioning normally. First open the app. Select the corresponding signal for connecting the inverter with Bluetooth. Enter the password 1111. You will be prompted to change your password after logging in. Reset your login password. Click Settings. Click Quick Settings. Enter the password 1111. Click Settings Mode. Set safety code based on actual conditions. Next we select the battery model. Select the corresponding battery model for connection. Next, select the operating mode. Click Start for system self-test. Quick setting is complete. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe training series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.